Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the shipping carrier on Mercari app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the shipping carrier. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, click on Sell on the middle bottom side. Then click on the item which you want to go ahead and change the shipping carrier for. Next, click on Edit Item, scroll down, and then underneath where it says Shipping Method, click on USPS Ground Advantage or whichever shipping method you have. Next, click on Edit next to USPS Ground Advantage, then click on Next, and then this is where you could actually change your shipping carrier once again. So let's change it to FedEx, and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the shipping carrier on Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.